Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm taking you through the brand new Mintay Papers collection called Winterland, and this is a Christmas collection that has just been released. Let's take a look firstly at the sticker sheet, the cardboard sticker sheet, to give us a little bit of a feel for the vibe of this collection. Oh, here's the first one, December Diary. So it could be perfect if you are making a December daily album this year. Winter snowballs, love winter, Christmas, snowflake, winter activities. There is no season like winter. The most wonderful time of the year. Like a snowflake, you're one of a kind. Wintertime, snow magic. It's cold outside, warm holiday fun, and all of these sentiments down here. I do really like the combination of the colours in this collection because you've got this sort of light blue, but it's sort of a little bit of a aqua blue, and then you've got the lovely bright red colours, and I'm loving this red and white gingham. Let's take a look first at the 12 by 12 papers so that we can see exactly what they're like. So first of all, we have the front cover, and on the back of the front cover you have some fussy cutting elements. We have a snow globe, snowman, poinsettia flowers, a tree, roller skates and a sled, little houses with wood cut out the front, some floral clusters, a star, a reindeer, wood mittens, a mailbox. I'm just trying to think, would that be a husky dog? I think that might be a husky dog. Some little birds, a red robin perhaps, skis. So it's definitely got a snow winter theme to it. This collection, a very traditional theme, but instead of red and green, you've got red and blue. Here we have the first page, and on the first page here, we have the tree here with the elk or the reindeer, and then another tree in the corner here with a little cottage. I can see this is a very easy scrapbooking page. There's not a lot to do here. On the reverse, you have a cream woolen jumper. Oh wow, look at this, a big snow globe. That is beautiful, with ice skates and stars hanging down. My sister used to have a collection of these when we were kids, the snow globes, and there is that beautiful red and white gingham with this sprinkling of snow over the top. I love that. Here we have another tree on this side and a tree on that side, so this would make a perfect double layout. Let's just see that perfect double layout there. Look at that, perfect double layout. Very minimal that you need to do there. That's lovely. A beautiful wood grain on the back. Love that. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Look at that. This is like the box shelves that you can put on your walls, and beautifully decorated with all of this leaf foliage and poinsettias, the white stars. I love that. That would be so pretty on your wall in the house. On the reverse, a soft snowflake page. Oh, look at this. Look at this bright red poinsettia page. That is very dominant. That is beautiful. And on the reverse, oh goodness, look at that beautiful Christmas tree covered in snow. That's beautiful. I love that. Here's my favorite page, the number 6, that I love to use for cards. And we've got the farmhouse and the husky dog and the birds, the snow globes, the stars, beautiful pages there. And on the reverse, the frames that are perfect for mini albums. So that would work beautifully with your December daily album. And then you have a repeat of all of those pages again. So in every 12 by 12 package, you receive 2 copies of each design of the papers. What a beautiful collection. Now this is called Winterland. Now there is an added page that you can purchase, which gives you additional fussy cutting. And on the reverse of that page, it's just like a sort of mixed media, cream golden, sort of the cement wall look page. Now don't forget also, for the card makers amongst us, there is a 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. Now on the back of the front cover you have different designs here, 4 of these, and then you're going through exactly the same pictures or papers that you have in the 12 by 12, but they are in a smaller format. And you receive, I think it's 4, isn't it? 4 of each design. So there's 12 designs. You get 4 copies in the 6x6 paper pad, so that allows for lots and lots of crafting and creating without having to stress over what paper will I use first. So this is the beautiful Mintay Papers Winterland collection for 2020. I can see amazing projects made out of this. What can you see? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.